friend. Me and him, we had the same kid.
What? You want your mommy back? She never loved you. Don't be such a baby!
Daisy loved us all. Otso was special. They did everything together. I never seen a kid and a toy more in love. One day, we took a drive, hit a rest stop, had a little playtime. After lunch, Daisy fell asleep. She never came back. Otso wouldn't give up. It took forever, but we finally made it back to Daisy's. But by then, it was too late.
She don't love you no more. Now come on!